asexual. Do you know the asexual reproduction is wherein only one parent is involved to reproduce the offspring? Is a mode of reproduction wherein the offspring produced are exact copies of their parents. Ooh, ooh, oh. My way of reproducing grants more diverse life. So when environment gets tough, makes it easier to thrive. I don't need anyone to get a Valentine. I'll be reproducing quickly while you're wasting all your time. Have you heard of plug fragmentation? It's a process that brings plant multiplication. When a piece of a plant breaks out, it can grow roots and start a new display. Grafting is a technique used by some to combine two plants and make them one. Aside and loose stock are carefully creating a hybrid perfectly coined. Tissue culture is a modern way to propagate plants in a lab basic. Tiny pieces of the tissue are grown into whole plants, a method well known. Asexual. Do you know the asexual reproduction is where only one parent is involved to reproduce the offspring is a mode of reproduction wherein the offspring produced are exact copies of their parents. Asexual. When you are doing it alone, when you are just making clones, you don't get to mix and match genes while multiplying. Changes that everyone's dying. Screw meeting they get buried from mutations. I don't need you, so don't bug me. I don't need friends because I got bodies. Asexual. Do you know the asexual reproduction is where only one parent is involved to reproduce the offspring in a life where life unfolds, a tale of cells, another story untold. No ballroom dance, no attracting or sweet. There's chromosomes dividing indiscreet. Then Metaphys whispers a silent Anaphys fools, they're setting for free. No balconies sing just a cellular song. Asexual reproduction, steady, sturdy, and strong. It's not that difficult, but it's easy. No need of things and no need of princess. This isn't a love story, baby. It's asexual. Do you know the asexual reproduction is only one parent is involved to reproduce the offspring?